Hey everybody, this is Gary Hubbell, accredited land consultant, Colorado ranch broker with United Country, Colorado Brokers and Auctioneers. I'm here to tell you about our newest listing, which is really a cool one. It's a commercial business, Capital Peak Outfitters and Aspen Wilderness Outfitters. These outfitters are based near Snowmass, Colorado, and they're operating in the Maroon Bells Snowmass Wilderness and the Hunter Frying Pan Wilderness. They do a lot of summer horseback rides, including hour rides, 2-hour rides, half-day rides, full-day rides, and then overnight pack trips as well. They do have a pasture lease to keep their horses near the trailhead in the Snowmass area, which is a hard thing to find in that part of the world. And they also have excellent hunting for elk and mule deer in GMUs 43, 47, and 471. But even better than the elk and mule deer hunting is the terrific hunting that they have to offer for mountain goats in G12 and G13, and for bighorn sheep in S13 and S25. This business does a very nice volume, and we've priced it very accurately at $595,000. It is offered with 25 head of experienced mountain horses, all the necessary tack and equipment, trucks, trailers, whatever you need to make the business go. They do have a long-standing client list and an excellent website, and it's, again, as I said, offered at $595,000. If you want to get in touch with me or with Loren Williams, you can reach me, Gary Hubbell, at 970-872-3322, or Loren Williams at 970-314-0324, and we can send you non-disclosure and share some information about this business with you, and you can look forward to an exciting new career.